becoming a lot of work. All right, so we got the running order is just Robbie, Dingleberry, and Little Dingleberry. They're lined up, ready to go. We got corner marshals ready. We're gonna go on the tone in less than 10. There they go. Just Robbie leading the way with his associated two-wheel drive buggy. Dingleberry with a TLR. They all got a good start. They're right there together. Oh, Dingleberry comes up short, gonna let Little Dingleberry by. Robbie gets it wrong over the skip jump. Little Dingleberry's gonna close in. Whew, all over the place. Track looks good. Should have good grip, at least for the next couple of races. It's gonna be dry in the main. We're not gonna have time to water, I don't think. We might put a little mist down. We'll see what it looks like. Grip should be high now. Oh, Little Dingleberry's hanging in there. Last time by, only 2.6 seconds separated him. It's 7.2 back to Dingleberry. Oh, big wheelie from Little Dingleberry. That left side of the straightaway is very bumpy. For two-wheel drive, it will kick you up in the front. Little Dingleberry loses traction down the straightaway. I missed the beginning of that. Oh, Robbie whipping it over the double. Little Dingleberry's only 3.6 seconds behind. Might have spread it out a little bit this lap. Things looking pretty fast. 4 seconds. Oh, Robbie's upside down. Here comes Little Dingleberry. Watch out in the double. Oh, and he hits it wrong. Here comes Big Dingleberry. Gonna make the pass. That is for position. So now the Dingleberries are battling it out. Oh no, Little one gets it wrong. John is lightning fast on the spot. We got 5 minutes to go. Running order is still Robbie, Dingleberry, and Little Dingleberry. Robbie almost comes up short on the double. Oh, traction roll from Little Dingleberry. Here comes your leader down the straightaway. Keeps all 4 tires on the ground this time. Oh, big air and a wreck. Robbie trying to put a flap on Little Dingleberry. Two-wheel drive stadium truck. We don't see that here very often. Just below the halfway point. We've got 3 minutes, 45 seconds to go. Still just Robbie, Dingleberry, and Little Dingleberry. that a wheelie I saw? Caught it out of the corner of my eye. Dingleberry's doing battle on the left side of the track. I'm not sure that's, I think they're spread out a lap, but they're having fun. What it's all about. See who's got the most power here. Little Dingleberry doing a wheelie. They're hanging neck and neck. Oh, almost made it. Two minutes, 22 seconds to go. You heard the man, 2 minutes left. Robbie pulling wheelies and running off on the straightaway. We can probably open that other bay door up some more. Ooh, big air from little Dingleberry. Look out! Oh God, I couldn't get it out of my mouth fast enough. Yeah, y'all just go wherever you want to go, it's fine. You know, spread out enough, it doesn't matter. I was trying to say something, I couldn't get it out of my mouth. 1 minute to go. Just Robbie. I think somebody counted an extra. I missed it. You missed a lap, yeah. Okay, that moved it up. Robbie, Dingleberry, little Dingleberry. It's all good. It does show y'all on the same lap though. So Dingleberry's slowly but surely closing in. That big accident did move them closer. Here comes the buzzer. Just Robbie gets it wrong over there. Dingleberry's on the double, but oh, he almost makes a double and he flips over. So there's your buzzer. Keep going till I call your name. Just Robbie's done. Here comes Dingleberry. He's gonna be done when he goes across the line. And waiting on Dingleberry. Big power. Woo. Can't even got so much power he can't put it down. All right, everybody's done. That'd be just Robbie, Dingleberry, and little Dingleberry.